Hi guys, I'm Varun and I'm back with another recipe today. Today we're gonna do a classic pizza dish and everything is gonna be done from scratch, right from the dough till the sauce and the toppings and everything. We're gonna topping it up with some fresh vegetables and then we're gonna finish it in the oven. If you don't have an oven at home, we're gonna do a stovetop version also. So you can do that at home easily. So let's check out the recipe. was the easy pizza recipe that you can make at home. We topped it with some fresh vegetables. You can top with anything you like, be it meats or seafood or any fruits if you like that. And if you have some crazy combinations of fruits, vegetables or meats that you would like to put on this pizza, do write back to me. Cheers.